Hello, thank you for watching, and if you could subscribe or like this video or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So I haven't actually, I've been a bit set back by the pallet forks I was making before. Going to put collars on the hens and needed to get those made and whatever. So this job has come in, been given these to make another, and it'll be easier to make these as well. So these are types like pallet, on the forklift, so we have hooks I'll hook onto flat barren. You got a pin on the top and you pull to lock it going back and forth. I'll show you now the rest of it. So these are a bit easier and to us a bit stronger. So box section, heavy box. And we get some flat bar that's bigger, wider, and you'll weld these to a box. You have to weld them a bit so we don't warp in. And basically, because wider, you have the lip here. See, here's like there's a gap there. And so you do the same with plain at the bottom. So it slides on there. So it basically, like it hooks there. Okay. Then marked out a load of holes, even spaced, and started off small bit when went up to, I think it's like 5/8 now. So you can see it a bit smaller than fingerly. And then took a grinder and cut the notches. So these are holes. I took a grinder, cut the notches out. So pins now, the spring load pins will clip into here to lock them in place then. So that's it done. So next thing now, need a weld the flat to the box, clamp it down and to stop it warping about. Same at bottom. Okay, then we get the pallet fork, get the forks then against them and see exactly how wide we need to be. Then we'll plate it up, put some plates across there, and then some box sections here, basically where brackets go. So boxes will match up where the Quicke brackets go then. So we'll get the width, basically we'll get these welded on, get the width set, braced up, ends and the middles. Then we'll weld the brackets onto the boxes that brace here. So we'll measure out so the boxes are the same width as the brackets and you'll see the rest of it. So there's a bit of gap because I don't really want the middle anyway. Then the other side. And the Quicke bracket. Number 3 Quickies are quite compactly. They're the old Quicke loaders. So here you can see different side. See hooks around. So the flat bar now is a good fit there. So nearly finished welding now. I'll take off the barrels now. It's on 2 barrels. I put them aside. So we're gonna have the weld those on an angle and make it life a bit easier. I've done the rest of it then. Okay. So I've welded all around it, and the top bit I welded right down. The bottom bit is just sort of stitch welded, and the bottom plate as well. But the top gets the most strain, so it's welded, fully welded down into the middle there. So I've done these brackets, I've done them there. Just make life a bit easier, I've flipped it here. I had to take it off anyway. And I can lay a real good bead in there. So, yes. So I'll carry on and finish off. Just need to do these 2 brackets, and it's pretty much done. A bit of paint and, well, grind the sharp edges off, a bit of paint, and it's right. This is what I meant about stitching, you know. It's not full, it's just here, that's in the side. So basically more you weld, more it wants to warp out, and well, I had to clamp it as going in. So try mark out, get it as even as I could, you know, the gaps. I mean, it's underside anyway, but I did the same, the underside, the top, and you know, to stitch. But the top side then is fully welded from, say there's a bit of gap in the middle, and it's fully welded each side, because that's where it pulls on, you know. Then we have some box sections right where the brackets are to strengthen it. Then the brackets themselves overlap those joints in, so it strengthens it again. Then and those are welded, you know, welded up against the flat bar there, the box sections there. And the plates inside, those are welded up to the flat on the side wear again, you know, strengthen again. So the brackets are up close to this one, and like if it was a bale spike or something, you would space out a bit to make it easier to hitch up. But the thing is, you lose, you know, leverage and, you know, the lift. Because these are, the forks are so long, sort of thing, you know, you want it as close as to loader as you can, you know, not to lose the leverage. So that's a bit hard to put on, but it's better for actual lifting. So and it's made it stronger and all, you know, it's quite a thick plate, you know, that overlaps everything, ties it all together and sort of thing. Need to paint this and then fit the forks, and well, oh yeah, need to grind the sharp corners. It's a bit hot now. Grind the sharp corners, coat of paint, forks on, and she's done really. Now that's it finished now. So put it on the bobcat and lift it up to put the tines on it. There's a bit of grease still on the tines then, but that's pretty much it done then. So as you see, that's what I meant about the plates on the sides to strengthen that. Then the box sections went right where the brackets are, and so you weld the brackets onto a box, and the brackets are as long as the frame is high then. So they actually overlap the joints where the box goes, so the brackets themselves actually strengthen it as well, you know, because they're fully welded. And then a piece of plate welded on top just to stop that, you know, the hook on top to open, you know. So as a plate there, just to triangulate that down, you know. So that's it pretty much. So this is done, and I need to get at it to make the one, you know, the one with bar I posted before, but this was easier to make one because it's just a good copy of one we had. So yes, got this one done then. I'll probably look at doing with one. We'll probably do the one backwards. So this one we did the plates on the box, and then did the spacings to the forks, then did the rest to suit then. But with one we'll probably put the brackets on it first, make the frame suit the brackets, then make the sort of fork suit that then, because only bar at the top holds it, and the Euro 8 brackets actually bigger, you know, they're higher up, and the forks themselves are higher as well. So these Quicke ones were quite small, and so it happened to be we actually fitted on the forks themselves then, so quite a tidy job. And like I said, we overlapped the box sections that are welded in there and there, so we overlap the joint, so we've strengthened all. So we'll see now. The thing is, Euro, we actually go on a slant as well, not straight, so we can't, well, could put a box on a slant, but probably put a box in the middle or somewhere. But I'll film that, you'll see that anyway. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.